Hello everyone. Do you want to stop a specific application from using the internet without uninstalling it? In this video, I will show you how to block Wi-Fi and mobile data for any application. So first, open Play Store and install this application named as NetGuard. Then open it. Accept the terms by tapping on I agree. Grant the VPN permissions when prompted. NetGuard works by creating a local VPN on your phone. It does not send your internet traffic to any external VPN server. Now, tap the switch at the top to enable NetGuard. For this demo, I'll block internet access for Chrome. Scroll down and find Chrome. Tap the Wi-Fi icon to disable Wi-Fi. Also, tap the mobile data to disable mobile data. Both icons should show as blocked. Now, let's open Chrome and see if it is able to access the internet or not. So here you can see Chrome cannot access the internet. Now let's try different application or browser. Let's open other browser. So you can see here other browser is working or able to access the internet. Let's try again different application. This also working. Let's again open Chrome. As you can see, Chrome can no longer access the internet while other applications continue work normally. Only the selected application has been blocked. Everything else continue to use the internet. If you want to restore internet access, simply return to NetGuard. Then re-enable the both icon by tapping on Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now let's again go to Google Chrome and refresh the page. You can see here now Chrome has restored its internet access. So that's how you can block internet access for any Android application without root using NetGuard. It's a simple way to stop applications from going online while keeping the rest of the application on your phone connected.